we are here at Brewster, so we will be checking in. So this is where we're gonna be staying for 5 days. And tour namin kayo rin. This is the washroom. Ayan, may mini bathtub, washroom, and then rock for coats. And then this is the bed. So supposedly it's 4, so it's only the 2 of us. We're gonna be using this room. This is it, the sala. And they have complimentary coffees and whatnot. And we do have this balcony. Hi guys! We are here at Banff in Alberta. Banff? So for today's vlog, this would gonna be like the 5 days trip in Banff, Alberta. Okay, so for today, my event, ano to? Banff Food and Cocktail Festival. So, titingnan natin. How much? Good morning. This is our day 2 here at Banff. So today, our agenda is to go to the gondola. It's snowing right now. It's -4, but it's not that cold. So, kaya pa naman namin to. So, ngayon papunta kami ng, it's either magta-taxi kami or wait kami sa bus terminal. And it would cost us around $2 only for the bus ticket to go there dun sa gondola. So, titingnan natin. Yan, medyo snowing ang ano natin, pero hindi OA ang snow. Yan, mga kasama natin. Oh my God! Ang lamig! Pero ang sarap ng lamig. Ito yung mas needed vacation na kailangan natin. For today's video, we're gonna go to Banff Gondola, and we are here at the Caribou West downtown. So, nandito kami sa public transit. Antay namin, due in 19 minutes pa yung next bus. So, antayin natin. Okay, bye! See you there! So, ngayon, nakasakay na kami ng bus. So, ang ginawa namin is, nag-download kami ng Token Transit sa application na yan. This costs us $5. All day pass na siya. So, kung pupuntahan namin lahat ng kung pupuntahan namin lahat ng attractions doon sa Route 1 and 2, pwede kami kasi unlimited pass kami for the whole day. So, ngayon, sa pinakadulo kami ngayon ng Tunnel 1 sa gondola. So, mga 9 stops pa tayo. So, see you there. So, unfortunately guys, medyo foggy yung weather ngayon. So, tinignan namin kanina, hindi siya advisable na pumunta pa sa gondola kasi wala tayong makikitang mountain view. So, currently nasa shop kami and we're gonna be deciding kung ano ang magiging next destination namin. Kasi medyo foggy, then medyo snowy kasi nag-snow kaninang umaga. So, tingnan natin. Okay, balatahan namin kayo. So ngayon, titignan natin kung makakabili tayo ng ganito kasi medyo maganda. Maganda siya, maganda yung quality, just mura pa siya by one take one. So, feel ko bibilin ko to. And then outfit ko siya tomorrow. So, finally, ito na, nag-decide na ako. Bilhin ko tong hoodie and then siya, pakita mo. Yan, so babayaran na namin.
So he's paying for...
Bayad na tayo. Baka kasi sabihin, hindi ako
Hindi ka talaga bumibili.
116?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
It's right.
75 for the hoodie and then the
Any discount more?
Credit.
Credit, please.
Credit? Absolutely.
Can I buy only 100? 16 is the discount. That's okay. Oh my god.
You're crazy. Got the goods. Vincent, show your goods. Yan.
Ang tawag dito? I think all this one? Okay. You're loony.
Yan, so mag-aano siya ng token coin, ng collectible coin. Tapos ipiliin mo yung design there.
Oh, that's not bad.
Wow. Agresibo.
So, ang bibili natin ay Sky Experience Lunch Package.
I just
Grabe, ang ganda lang ng view. Medyo foggy pa yung view namin kasi nag-snow the whole morning. But then it's okay. I mean, we were still able to see the mountains and whatnot. This is way up. Actually, pwede kang mag-trekking talaga dito. Kaso, parang mas mapapagod kami kasi nag-snow kaninang umaga. So, medyo madulas din yung trail if pupush namin talaga mag-trail kami. So, we just decided to buy this gondola pass with fine dining na upstairs sa taas. So, at least, diba, na-enjoy din namin yung gondola na ganito. Just enjoy the view. So, eto na, nakaakyat na kami, daan na kami. Pupunta na kami sa restaurant. So, maganda pala dito, ang dami ding mga restaurants, iba't ibang restaurants. So, but we do have the Sky Lounge experience reserved. What? Oh my god! So cool! Sobrang lamig, guys. Kakaiba na to. Medyo may ano pa siya, bonfire. Bonfire! So we are here at Bistro Lounge. So they have this already. We're gonna be choosing between this. What did you order, Anarix? Parmer deli. And then burger brisket. And I had burger brisket as well. You got fish. And then same. Enjoy, dollar.
This list, I have 25 amazing prizes. So simply pick a number between 1 and 25. Tell me, yeah. You want 14? You sure? You can change your mind if you want. Okay, okay. You're gonna stay 14. You almost got me there. Alright, so over here on my notes, I will show you. I have prizes, okay? And there's some good ones. We got Xbox, we got a new bike, we got trampoline, we got Legos, right? There's some great prizes on there, but you pick 14. What does 14 say? A clementine. Interesting. Not the greatest trick. I mean, not the greatest prize in the prize field. However, you chose a clementine. Your wish is my command.
Oh my gosh.
And that bag you hold the whole time is.
Whoa.
It's far more fruit than I anticipated to be in the show. But of course, since this is a magic show, this isn't just a clementine. It's a magic clementine. Because every great magic trick needs a third and final. I'm just going to come over here and grab this. Every great magic trick needs a third and final act, known as prestige. Okay? Because it's not enough to make something disappear. Okay? You have to get inside the clementine. You hold on to the entire show. Part of a card. Is it 10 of diamonds? You bring that card up here. Is that a perfect match? Yes, indeed, it is. That is the prestige of this trick, and that is the prestige of my show. I want to thank you all for your attention. I want to thank you for your.
So, nag-attend kami ng magic show dun sa taas and we participated and so amazed kasi sobrang galing nung magic na yun. So, grabe! Makikita nyo sa video, sobrang amazed na amazed ako. Grabe lang talaga. So, that was a great show. So, ngayon, pababa na kami kasi tapos na yun na yung pinaka-tok-tok roof deck and whatnot. Pababa na kami to have some coffee and ikot pa kami ulit. Banaw, pababa na kami. Ayan.
Galing kami Mount Banahaw. Banawe. Mount Banahaw.
Guys, just enjoy the view, okay? Dito kami bababa. Layo. So, So now, nakababa na kami ng Sulphur Mountain. Papunta kami ngayon ng Fairmont Hotel para i-check yung mga iba pang attractions doon. Ngayon, bumaba kami from the gondola. From the gondola station from the Sulphur Mountain. Bumaba kami hanggang YWCA. Tapos, nakita namin na walkable na lang yung Fairmont Hotel. So, ayun na yarn. 14 minutes lang yarn. Okay, Nakaret?
Nakarat.
What's the difference between Nakaret and Nakarat?
Ang Nakaret ay... Hindi ko alam Nakaret, pero Nakarat, masarap daw yun.
Masarap daw yung Nakarat. Mga Nakaret, Nakarat na ba kayo? Ganon.
Ewan ko makabuo ka.
We are here and we'll be going to somewhere here. Ito na yung tinatawag na trekking. Kahit nasabihin mo na ayaw mo mag-trekking, trekking talaga to. Like individual, like small trekking. Papunta dun sa pupuntahan ninyo. Kasi kung mag-aantay ka pa ng mga transpo, grabe ang pag-antay, 30 minutes to 1 hour. So much better mag-trekking ka na lang kahit konting distance. At isa dun ka na on time. Napinicturan mo?
This location of a maintained in winter and can be hazardous.
Hindi na kailangan ng part.
Dapat pala nag-boots ako.
Andito na tayo sa Bow Valley Falls. So, itong part na to, medyo snow pa siya. Kaya nakakalakad pa kami. Mabato pa siya. Tapos, ito na yun, ito na yung Bow Valley Falls. Tapos, makikita ninyo, ayun yung mountain. I don't know if this is still a Sulphur Mountain or whatnot. But, yeah, that is the mountain. And this is the falls. Pinuntahan namin. So picture lang. So good. Ah! Grabe yung snow. Buong snow pa siya. Guys, kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi siya yung snow. Ito siya. Para siyang yung nails ni Elsa. Ganyan yung snow dito sa river.